Hey everybody, we're back. Yesterday was my birthday. I had such a great time. I want to thank all my friends and family for making it special. You guys always come through for me. Today I feel like it's Friday. And so I feel like on Friday we feel like it's the end of the week. Forget about it, throw my hair up. The weekend's coming. I don't give a but you really should. Friday's a great day. Everybody's out, everybody's happy, people are about to go out. Friday is good, right? So for this Friday, I'm gonna do maybe like a half up, half down. I know it's the updo day, but we're gonna switch it up. You know how I do. So I'm thinking maybe like a retro kind of little bang. Retro bang. Bang, bang into the room. You know how you just do the roll. So thank goodness I had curled my hair back yesterday. Oh, that did not work, did it? Ladies? Start over again. It's okay to start over. See, I gotta do it too. It's what we do in life to look fabulous. Don't throw in the towel. If you have to start over, oh well. Don't nobody care. You shouldn't care. I don't care. I'm an Aquarius, and we don't care. Just so you know, when you meet an Aquarius and you want them to give a shit, sorry, we're not very good at that. I mean, we care, but we don't care. Baby, I'm sorry, I'm not sorry. Alright, so we got a little retro thing. We might just leave this part down. We could put a little bit up. Pull this back. Retro is more sleek. There's a lot of sleek curls, sleek lines. Those ladies were fierce back in the day. They still are today. Put one more back here because that was pretty thick. That hair is thick. This bobby pin doesn't want to work. No, that feels good and tight. And then I might put this piece up a little bit. Again, that pulling the iron trying to attack me. What's wrong with this crazy curling iron? Flat iron falling on the floor, curling iron trying to attack me. What did I do to deserve this? Just pull that out and make it feel like it's alright, there we go. fast and easy and looking good. That's what we're trying to do. Just style your hair, do something, try something new. I try something new almost every day. I try. I had someone tell me, you never look the same. Like, I never know it's you. I can't wait to see when you come in, because I don't know what the heck you're gonna do. That's what I like to hear. I don't want anyone knowing what the heck I'm trying to do. Like a hair spot. Undercover. Pretty nice. It's not. I should have had it on, but I didn't. With the retro style, you definitely want to have curls, because they used to set their hair. So those sets, girl, they used to last. Wish I had a hair dryer in my house so I could use rollers and set my hair. But I don't, so my curling iron's gonna have to do. Oh, thank you. And at least a style like this takes you from day to evening, okay? Take you down to the tiki lounge. We're gonna rock down to Electric Avenue. You know, the retro hairstyles, you know, they wear theirs more slick and nice. Not like how I like to wear my hair out big and fabulous. I can't help it. Have a little bit of everything, right? If we wanted to, pin this piece back and down. You know, I like my little side looks. And there we go. Retro spin on the top, hair on the sides, pinned in the back. That's all there is to it for today. Looking good, okay? If you wanted, you could continue that spin on up. Looks super retro-y up too. Just do a little spin and twist. You just want to keep twisting the back and put it up. If you felt like you needed it all up, but we don't feel like that, do we? We need some up, some down, trying to switch it up, right? That's right, that's what we're doing in the new year, switching it up. I hope everybody's having a great day, a great month, a great year. I hope everyone's trying to style their hair. Please, please, let's do this together. Style your hair, look pretty. Everybody's doing it. Well, probably not everybody, but I'm doing it. Please do it with me. If you like the video, press like, give it a big thumbs up, comment below. What hairstyle would you like to see me do? I'll do some styles, I don't care. I'll do a mohawk, faux hawk, up your hawk, in your hawk, whatever. Curl it down, curl it up, spin it around. I'm just not putting extensions in my hair, because that shit is itchy to me. Okay, but anything else? Comment below and we'll see what we can do. Thank you. Bye-bye.